Good morning. This is Mike Houston with your Southeast Idaho weather planning briefing for Wednesday, June 9th. Taking a look at our weather impact summary, we expect breezy south winds today, which has given us a red flag warning for zone 427. We are seeing a trough, a low pressure system moving across the region tomorrow, which will bring cooler and windy conditions along with widespread showers and thunderstorms. We have a wind advisory out for the Snake River Plain on that. And then for Friday morning, after things clear out, we could see a potential frost advisory. And then late in the week, going into the weekend, we expect to see a warming trend. And by early next week, we expect to see unseasonably warm temperatures across the region. Here we are looking at satellite view this morning. We had a low pressure system off the coast that's forcing that fairly decent southerly flow across the region. You can see we're in the dry slot here in southeast Idaho. There is some moisture over towards Oregon, western Idaho. Looking at our weather impact matrix, we get gusty winds today, cooler temperatures with widespread showers and windy conditions tomorrow, near freezing temperatures on Friday. And then Friday afternoon, going into the weekend, we expect to see a warming trend. Taking a look at our storm track, there's that low pressure system off the coast today with that southerly flow coming up through southeast Idaho. That'll bring us those gusty winds that I was mentioning. Here we are looking at wind gusts anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour across the south central highlands and, of course, across the portions of the Snake Plain and up into the central mountains. Minimum humidities today will be in the teens across the Snake River Plain and southern highlands. And then if we look at our fuels status page, we see that we have critical fuels listed here in zone 427, along with the low relative humidity and gusty winds. We satisfied the criteria for a red flag warning there for today, which we have issued. By tomorrow, that low pressure trough moves inland across southern Idaho. That'll bring widespread showers, scattered thunderstorms, windy conditions, and much cooler temperatures to the region for Thursday. Here's a look at those winds, wind gusts of 35 to 40 miles per hour throughout the Snake River Plain. That has prompted a wind advisory for most of the Snake River Plain and portions of the eastern Magic Valley. Here's a look at the high temperatures that we're expecting on Thursday. We'll probably score these pretty early in the day. In fact, I'd say that our warmest temperatures will be right after midnight tonight, and then we'll see cooling temperatures through the day tomorrow with that low pressure system advancing across the region. Low temperatures on Friday morning. Here we are looking at near freezing conditions here across the Snake River Plain and portions of the eastern Magic Valley. We're going to have to wait and see how this kind of fleshes out, but we may be issuing a frost advisory here for Friday morning. And then as we work our way out, this is early next week, we see the high pressure ridge expanding across the region, but prior to this happening, we'll see that low pressure system that's bothering us heading east of the divide. We'll see some warming temperatures into the weekend, but by early next week, this ridge blows up across the west and brings unseasonably warm temperatures to the region. We'll be back up into the 90s, on Monday, and conditions will be relatively dry. So going for another warm period into early next week. So to recap, breezy southerly flow today with a red flag warning out for zone 427. Low pressure trough will sweep across the region tomorrow, bringing widespread showers, cooler temperatures, and windy conditions, and therefore we've issued a wind advisory as well for the Snake River Plain and the eastern Magic Valley for tomorrow. Then as things clear out for Friday night, we could see a potential frost, so I'd have those tarps ready to cover your tomatoes. And then on at least late this week, going into the weekend, we should see a warming trend, but by early next week, we'll be into the hot and uglies again, with, not record temperatures, but unseasonably warm for sure. That's all I had for you here this morning. If you had any comments or questions, please go ahead and try to reach out to us either by phone or email. Pick your poison. We have lots of ways to get a hold of us here. So don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.